chat. Hey, welcome back to another freaking video, bro. Hey, make sure to hit that subscribe button, you feel me? Turn that bell on to be notified. Hit that subscribe button, you feel me? We trying to get to 100 subscribers, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But listen, we'll get into today's video, you feel me? Follow my IGs at ZyGotMotion. Follow my TikTok at ZyGotMotion. Even though it's TikTok gonna be banned January 19th. Rest in peace. But yeah, let's get straight into it, you feel me?
This ain't gonna be the first time that I do numbers on 2 crutches. Seen more plaques than 2 brushes. Until I'm at the pearly white gates, I gotta move something, do something. All meetings happen in person, so they can't prove nothing. Known her 8 years and still fuck her like a new husband. Trying to run a country like Putin one day, but who's rushing? Who's bluffing?
In today's video, you feel me? As y'all seen by the title, by the unboxing. Another Temu unboxing. You feel me? When's the last time y'all see me do this, bro? I haven't done a Temu unboxing in a long time, but we back at it. You feel me? Hey. Let's. Now, what did I order? You feel me? I'm gonna actually put it on the screen right there, so y'all can go check it out yourselves. You feel me? Let's get into this. Alright. So that. Alright. So we got some clothing and then we got a necklace. So we're gonna start with the necklace first. Alright, so the necklace is actually a Z necklace. Alright, you feel me? Hold on. Alright. So the necklace, this is Z. You feel me? Alright, boom. Feel me? Got that on. Alright, so that's the necklace. That's a small part. Alright, boom. So, for the clothing, oh, I've been waiting long for this. Alright. I'm gonna say it's for last. How we gonna get this? So these are joggers. These are men's wear joggers, but I got them in small. Feel me? Cause I ain't gonna lie, your boy needs some more sweatpants. You feel me? So she, feel me? Got the. I ain't gonna lie. It smell good though. This material though, bro. This don't feel good. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Feel me? You got the drawstring. You know what I'm saying? You got the zip up pockets. You know what I'm saying? Zip up pockets. You know what I'm saying? Boom. That's the pants. You feel me? That's the pants. I ain't gonna try them on. Okay, now for this. This is a zip up. So if y'all don't know, a couple videos back when I was in my old apartment, I had bought me my first zip up. It's currently with my girl right now. She has it. She's had it for about 2-3 months now. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. She had it for a long time. And I miss my zip up, I ain't gonna lie. We got this one in small. Yeah, alright, so hold on. Let me zip the thing all the way up. So it says magic trip. You feel me? Got the stars on the sleeve.
A few moments later.
I should have unboxed this before, but I didn't. But long story short, I actually got me a Sprayground, whatchamacallit, duffel bag? Not duffel bag, fanny pack. Sprayground fanny pack. And actually, it goes with my Sprayground shiesty. So, yeah. I got this a couple of weeks ago before school had started or whatever. I should have done the video, but my lazy tail didn't want to. I still love y'all though. You know, I still love y'all though. Ain't gonna lie to y'all, I still love y'all. But yeah, feel me? See, ring sounds, the zippers, back, sideways, front, boom, you get it. Alright, cool. So, and yeah, that's basically today's video. You feel me? But yeah, I'll see y'all next video. All jokes aside, peace. I love y'all. Stay positive. Drink your water. Peace out again.